What's going on, guys? My name is Jack Thompson. I'm the owner of Big Wave Window, a window cleaning and pressure washing company located here in beautiful but rainy Pasadena, California. I also manage the Instagram page Pressure Wash, where we post daily videos of satisfying pressure washing jobs. So if you want to go and check that out, do that. Today I'm going to be showing you just a quick little video on how I prepare our bucket of solution for window cleaning jobs. You can do this if you're just a homeowner cleaning their own windows, or if you're starting your own business. This is just a quick short little video on how you can easily prepare a bucket to begin washing. Okay, so first things first, we have our 5-gallon bucket or so, and I went and filled it up almost halfway. You can get this at Home Depot or wherever you shop. And I have just some Dawn dish soap. Dish soap. That's kind of hard to say. And this is just the refill one. I have the little bottle that we bring to jobs because it's easier, but that's in the truck. So this is just regular dish soap that you get at the store, and that's pretty much all you need supplies wise to begin washing. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I mix it exactly.
Okay, so like I said, I just have a bucket filled about halfway with water from the hose. Yes, my bucket's all rusty and gross at the bottom, but don't worry, the water's clean. You don't need that much water because you don't really go through that much water. So we're just gonna take the soap and we're just gonna count for like 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And then go ahead and swirl it around with your hand. So you want the water to be kind of slimy and, you know, sudsy. The reason I do it, some people like it less slimy. I like it more slimy because it helps your squeegee rubber glide on the windows, and during hot days, it prevents the water from evaporating quickly. So this could use just a little more water. You can just do it by rubbing your fingers together. Needs a little more soap. You can tell by rubbing your fingers together. So I'm just gonna add a little bit. Stir it up. Just like that, and yeah, you can really feel it. Some people will put vinegar, like a teaspoon of vinegar in. You can do that. Really not that necessary. I've been using this for about 2 years and it works just fine. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Like I said, it's just a little quick video. This is one of the things that there's a lot of information on, a lot of different methods. And when I first started, I didn't really have an idea of what was right for me. This is what I use all the time. It's really simple, really cheap, obviously, just soap, bucket, and water. When we go to storefront or commercial jobs, we always fill the bucket up with water and prepare it before we even get there, because sometimes we don't have a hose spigot. So that's something to think about if you're starting to get into the business, just prepare for it. But yeah, I'm gonna keep on posting videos like this, just little tips and tricks and advice that I've learned along the way. If you enjoyed it or have any thoughts on the thing, give it a like, give it a dislike, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. It really helps me out. If you're a cleaner and use a different solution, let me know. I'd really like to see what you guys use. But thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Bye.